I just received my ARPS prototypes from PCBWay. ARPS is my new Arduino robot project shield, and it's designed to make it really easy to build a beginner robot like this one using an Arduino. Let me show you how. I've laid out all the parts on a piece of MDF, and now I'm going to mark and then drill the mounting holes. Next, strip and tin the 4 motor wires. Solder each pair of motor wires to each motor. I add electrical tape as a strain relief to keep the motor wires from pulling on the motor terminals. Now it's time to fasten all of the parts to the MDF chassis. Cut a couple pieces of double-sided tape and stick one to each motor. Stick the motor onto the chassis and then fasten it with a cable tie. Pull the cable tie really tight so that there's no movement. There should be no gap between the cable tie and the chassis. Next, use screws to fasten the battery holder on the Arduino. I'm going to use some tiny standoffs to mount the optical floor sensor modules. Now it's time to install the Arduino and ARPS and wire it all up. Let's add the floor glide and the wheels. It's starting to look like a robot. The tricky part is installing the floor sensor LED and phototransistor. Install them from the bottom and then solder them on the top. Now we just have to plug in the floor sensor modules. Our robot is now complete. Thank you to PCBWay for providing these ARPS prototype circuit boards. I'll show you how to create a program for the ARPS robot in a future video. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about electronics, programming, and simple educational robots. Until next time, keep learning.